How can something as simple as a walk to the drugstore turn into a fight for survival? Well, that's what happened to our first guest, Jasmine.
I'm a mother and I have 4 kids. I had a fun, great life. It just got taken away from me. It was late at night. I was walking to the store down a dirt road. The next thing I know, my car just lost control and he hit me. I got tossed into the center divider. I'm laying in the middle of the road. The car sped away. Within seconds, I was hit by a second car.
There was a man on the scene.
He called 911.
He was there, holding her hand, until paramedics came.
They pronounced me dead on the scene.
Her clothes had tire marks all over them. Her face was literally split open.
When I woke up, I knew something was wrong because of the way I was speaking. And then they showed me a picture of my face. I just went into shock. I looked like I had no face at all. And I broke my jaw, lost the front 4 of my teeth, suffered brain damage. The knees were just like split in half. My arm, I have a metal plate, but they're not able to take it out anymore because I can go paralyzed. My nose is completely disfigured. My upper lip was completely like torn off. Since that day, I live with chronic pain throughout my whole body every day. I can't stand for more than 2 hours. I can't even hold a job anymore. Hearing loud noises, an ambulance or a fire truck, they trigger flashbacks. My fiance helps me use the restroom. I don't want him to see that. Very humiliating. I've never had to depend on anybody before, and ever. I always took care of myself and my kids. It gets harder for me every day to have to just look in the mirror in my face, how ugly I am. I hope it is just to feel normal.
We're joined now by Jasmine, who you've been through so very much. The first thing we wanted to address is at the end of that tape piece, when describing how you feel about how you look, you're a miracle. Everything you've been through, Jasmine, you're a fighter, you're a miracle, and I'll guarantee you everyone here believes you are nothing but beautiful. You know, and one of the reasons we're so blessed to have you here today is that you've had so many physical and emotional scars through this. We sent you to see Dr. Raj, an orthopedic surgeon. The good news is a lot of those physical injuries, the bony injuries, he said are all healing very well, which is what we obviously love to hear. You know, but I know that you're still struggling with a lot of the facial deformities from that accident. And for that reason, we actually sent Jasmine to board-certified plastic and reconstructive surgeon Dr. Behruz Torkian to see what might be done to improve her breathing as well as facial appearance. We're back with Jasmine, who survived being hit by 2 cars. She still suffers with the scars from that night. In addition to all those bodily injuries that she suffered, we know losing your teeth obviously is a functional problem for you as well. And because of that, we arranged for dentist Dr. Joe and Dr. John Willardsen to see Jasmine before the show. And this is part of getting you whole. So, gentlemen, thank you for seeing Jasmine. What can be done for her?
We have a plan that we would see fit to do the surgery, and Dr. John can talk a little bit about what his side would be.
Yeah, so after losing the teeth and a lot of the bone structure in the upper jaw or the maxilla, it changes the profile of her face. So restoring the premaxilla and putting dental implants to replace those teeth is going to kind of be the icing on the cake. When that is done, and after Dr. Torkian does his procedures, you know, it's really going to stand out and make a huge difference for her, and you know, at no charge as well to do the procedure.
And physical therapy obviously is going to help with the pain of healing. And we did reach out to New Beginning Physical Therapy. They're going to help you 6 months of in-home physical therapy. But that's not all, because we need to address emotionally what's going on inside, because I can tell you keep looking back, thinking of that night, and for you to move forward, you need to work with a professional. So Dr. Manish Sheth of Achieve TMS Centers is going to provide 6 months of psychiatric care whenever you choose to start that process. So your emotional wounds can heal as well. But one person who's a hero had the heart to stop, call 911. That person helped save your life that night. And I know, like all of us, you'd like to thank him. And he is here. Trent, will you come join us?
Thank you so much for saving my life, so I could see my kids again. I'm there for them.
You know, you saw her laying there. What went through your head?
I really didn't know what it was at first, and I stopped the car, and oh my gosh, it's a person. And so I did call 911, and